We just called the mechanic, and sorry about that stop failure. Someone called in that cell phone. So, all right, we got went back normal.
Hershey was an epic fail.
Epic fail, or camera stop failure.
Oh.
That's more like me, anyways. I don't know where the stairs are coming.
Epic fail.
Sorry about that bowl failure.
Epic fail.
Bowl failure.
Epic fail.
No, bowl failure. Alright, Dad, look at that. Oh! Woo! Now let's have to strike. The ball gets stuck because the pin's back there. Here we go. Gotta get the spare. Oh, spare! Nice.
Made it.
It's your turn again. I think you bowled on my... I think Dad bowled on my scoreboard by accident. Whoa, that's a frame failure right there. Daddy accidentally bowled on my frame. Whoa, alright, Daddy, irritate me.
Why don't you try the heavier ball?
That's the only ball I can use right now.
Okay.
Wow. Well, if I do that again, I may cry.
Just take your time. No crying. That's for babies.
That was bowl failure. Oh, spare!
Good spare. George, you have to look on eBay and see if there's a bowling alley for sale.
No.
No, when I go home. When I go home, I'm going to see if there's a bowling alley for sale.
Every time. That's there.
Okay. Great shot. Great.
That was a split spare.
That's a great shot.
Wow. bad look.